Okay guys, so in today's video we are going to finish up Sounds of Spring. Now Papa's been cutting a little bit with the A, but today guys we're going to finish it up. We're going to check. We're going to do 3 checks: gas, coolant, and oil. Right here, pop it up. It's got a, let me see. Sometimes you gotta, yeah, it's good. It don't matter what brand of tractor you use. Even the new ones today, you have to still check the 3. Alright. Let's mount up here. Come over here, pull this. Grab these. Go right, whoa, come on now. Come on now. There we go. Now it's not flopping. Now you come down here. We'll raise this up. Now you see. Let me blow you out in a little bit. See this one right here? That one right there is your top one. So these bugs will leave me alone. Oh. See how it just poured right on out there? That's good. It's a little over full, but it's full. In my personal opinion, now this is just me, I like to have it too full than enough. Now we check the most important part. Yes. We got enough for what we need to do for it. New with it, so that will be it. Run in there and grab the cushion. Bear with me, guys. Alright, I got the old butt saver. Alright, Wayne, away from it. Bellow, Wayne, away from it. You two don't get away from that thing. I don't want to hit y'all now. Go. 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 Knuckleheads. Now, all we gotta do is fire it up. Make sure jiggle jiggle is jiggle 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 jiggle. Make sure it's doing all that. Bring your throttle up just a tad bit. Because these things are known to crank up in gear. 3. Then you got a wiggle battery. And then, oh yeah. Ooh, back up, move girl, move. Now, pick this up. Move, Bella, move. Here's what happened. Somebody didn't turn gas on. And yes, that would be me. So what happened in that scenario was the fuel that was in this line went through here and done some type of science, which made it run. Okay. Well, once the fuel line was out of fuel, it didn't run no more. So now we turn the fuel on. And then we come back over here, pull that switch on, then we crank it. Jiggle jiggle battery, yeah. Ah, you sucker. There we go. Ready, set, rock and roll. Ooh. There it is. Well, get over there. We got to put it in second gear. Papa's already cut it. Yeah. Look, Papa's already. Well, he's cut some of it. Let's get over here on this side. Yeah, I guess he did cut it. Nope, look right there. Missed the spot. Steering wheel's here was easy. Don't give me that now, tractor. What in the world did he do that much of? Oh, the shaft came out. That's an easy fix. Oh, you did put shaft back in. Look behind me, make sure that blade can come out. That's good. Yeah, they don't cut it like I do. got a couple surprises for you guys, and they're going to be here in the next few weeks, probably in June. They'll both be here in June, I'm hoping. Knocked me in the noggin. Was too low. Don't want to tear that up. It's a habit of wanting to drive and film in one hand. Recommend that. Anything can happen. Well, I got this bad boy, so I can do that. Put the clutch all the way in. Now, in that case, what you do is you do what I just did. You reach over here and there's this little lever right where my hand is. And you get that son of a gun out of gear. Now, a lot of these farmers will want to shut it off. Well, I'm not going to shut it off. I'm going to raise it up, get off, bit, pull the limb out, throw it over there, get back on here, sit down, adjust everything, give her some throttle, over here in gear, and go back around where I was. Do that in second gear again. That hurt. See, now I come up, clutch, brake. There we go. Oh yeah. Just like that, guys. Job is done, and Sounds of Spring is finished up. The part's too close, so. I'll just put it right here. A better way to end Sounds of Spring off. What better way to end Sounds of Spring with some cutting of the A in 90-degree weather. So, anyway guys, hang on just a dang second so I can get down. I hope you guys enjoyed that video, and I'll see y'all for, we're going to take a little break from all these series, and we will start dirt. Well, I'm thinking about doing dirt days. It'll be kind of fun. But anyway, guys, I'll see y'all later. A little warm, so I'll see y'all in the next one.